came back to the parliament. It's next morning. Now we'll have an exclusive parliament tour.
Every day that I wake up in a nightmare.
We finished our very exclusive parliament tour, and yeah, I admire you to watch that video too. And now we will go to the city center and we will explore it. Belgium is also very famous because of its chocolates, and I bought one with a oh, clear air. Delicious. Good chocolate. We are in the Luxembourg Park and they are trying to find out this ginkgo biloba tree for a chemistry 10. No one got it.
Every day that I wake up, I can never see quite clear. When I look at my surroundings, and everybody still doubts me.
We are in front of the Royal Palace, and this is where the royal family, the Belgian royal family, lives.
I want to live to hear a crowd sing. All my lyrics so loud.
Hatalmas autó.
I guess it's fine, but I really wish that we were better. Real toxic and drinks without
Royal family has such a beautiful garden.
all the pressure. Now everybody needs to think about posting whatever. When people ask how I'm doing, I've never been better. That's really not a conversation I'm willing to enter. How come we all continue forcing out all of this pressure? I'm just sick of these opinions and all of these lectures. So I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare, so I can be something. I do what I love and hope you will love me. I face this nightmare.
Brussels architecture is absolutely beautiful because we can find European buildings with statues, fountains, nice roads, nice people who like to talk, and very multicultural because people here are from multiple countries, but I think from multiple continents too, Asians, Africans, and they can live together. And yeah, I know there are some dangerous neighborhoods, but Escape Leopold, Cartier and the central areas are absolutely safe, I think, at night too. So yeah, it's a very great city to visit and explore in 2026 or 2025 if you want to spend your Christmas here. We are in front of the famous and fascinating St. Michael and Gudula Church. It's a Gothic styled building from the 13th or the 14th century, if I'm right, but I hope I'm right.
I'm scared of being rich, but I'm scared of being poor. I'm scared of being lonely, but I'm scared of being bored. Sometimes I get really angry, and I don't know why. Sometimes I really do hate me, can't even pick my own side, yeah. What is even going on? Why the hell do I even write songs? What the hell am I doing here, man? I guess I don't understand a thing, damn. Yeah, but maybe ignorance is bliss. Yo, I'd rather lay in the abyss than be aware of what I miss, especially if I quit.
Look how beautiful is this street.
If I quit, yeah, they say that hell is your last day. When you see what you could have became, that day would drive me insane. So I intend on staying in my lane. Yeah, I picked a path and I picked the pain. Yeah, I want it bad, that won't ever change. Yeah, sometimes I'm mad, sometimes I'm okay.
It's very contrasting, not everyone like this, that between the historical old European style buildings there are the newer office houses, skyscrapers. We are in a Belgian chocolate shop. Let's look around.
Yeah, I know I'll have what I want someday.
There is the factory where they produce these sweet, delicious chocolates.
I need my space now so I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare so I can be something. Yeah. I do what I love and hope you
Let's break
will
inside.
love me.
I have a good idea, boys.
Még már bár van.
Hi guys, this is the factory. I'm going to break in.
Galleria Renne, if I read well. Oh no, we are in the Galleria della Reina. It is very similar to the Milanese one, but look around, very great lights, very great lights. Absolutely amazing chocolate shops in the gallery.
Yeah, it's hard to be okay when I can see everything.
No, we are walking to a world recorder pub.
Is on my iPhone on display. No matter what I do, can't get away.
This is a Guinness World Recorder bar because here we can pick from more than 2,000 different types of beer. How many different types of beer are here? A lot. 2004. Amazing, amazing bar. Wooden inner style with huge barrels. And with this, I don't know what's this, but it gives a very, very great feel here. So you feel that, yeah, this is a real bar where you should buy a beer or spend time.
Every day that I wake up.
We are playing Bon Jovi. Is the best bar I've ever been. Look at the best music, the best beer. What you need?
2004 beers are. If I'm right.
Yes, you're right.
Yes. So this is a world recorder bar.
World Recorder bar.
Oh, yes.
And they play very good music. For example, Bon Jovi. Listen. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer.
I got caught in action again.
Oh, we are going to have a dinner with the group.
I wake up in a nightmare. Every day that I wake up, I can never see quite clear. When I look at my surroundings, and everybody still doubts me.
Vesno restaurant is absolutely amazing. We just have to look around, and it's so big.
Guys, look at it. So the menu is some food, some desserts, and 2 drought beers.
I wanna live to hear a crowd sing all my lyrics so loudly. I miss a time when we would all get together. I guess it's fine, but I really wish that we were better.
I told you guys the story that why we are here, because you know we won a competition, but the accommodation here, the food, everything we want is awesome. We met with the president. It's crazy. So I think we didn't put much effort to win this race, and we got a lot of things interesting, very interesting, and I feel so awesome here in Brussels. Very great city.
Hi guys, we are in a very luxury restaurant, and as you know, you are together with our class master, chemistry teacher, and I'm literally signing with my hand that I want to speak, because both of them are speaking and I can't even get a word. So I have to sign with my hand, you know?
This is our dinner, fish and chips.
Guys, we just met the waiter. He was so nice. He's from Mexico, and I've been in Mexico. I don't know that if you had any information about me, but I was in Mexico.
This is the national dessert of Belgium, waffle.
And I am eating it.
Real talk, sipping drinks without all the pressure. Now everybody needs to think about posting whatever. When people ask how I'm doing, I've never been better.
very famous landmark here in Brussels is the pissing boy. Now we are going to find this, but we arrived to the main square. Look around, it's beautiful.
That's really not a conversation I'm willing to enter. How come we all continue forcing out all of this pressure? I'm just sick of these opinions and all of these lectures. I need my space now so I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare so I can be something. I do what
We have found the pissing boy at my back. After
Subscribe to Sabotage.
He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. Do you come from a land down under? Where women glow and men plunder. That's all I know, you dog. That's all I know.
We are walking at night in Brussels. We are in the central area, of course, but I have to say it's safe and it's vibrating. They play Avicii in the bars and other great music. People are walking, they are talking with their friends, they are hanging out, and yeah, the architecture is beautiful. I feel what the locals feel here in the bars. Everyone is so happy here in Brussels. I think it's a very livable city.
I'm scared of being rich. I'm scared of being poor. I'm scared of being lonely. I'm scared of being bored.
We come back to the Brussels airport and we'll start our journey back to Romania. On the atomium chemistry stuff, I don't know what is this. Our teacher loves it because she teaches chemistry and it's from NMMs. We really enjoyed this one. We are so fast, right?
Oh yes, I'm always fast, but now I'm the fastest.
About the very nice salmon sandwich, and with that I will finish my Belgium trip. We are traveling to home by Ice Sky. Thanks for watching the next video. I hope you enjoyed this trip because I really enjoyed it. I really love Brussels. It's way more better how I imagined. So yeah, see you next time. Goodbye.
I do what I love and hope you will love me. I face this